we go. So yeah, obviously you don't go that far up the spike first time. Straight through. Hey! Woo! Hey! Little turnaround section. Woo! It's the Lord. Hey! And obviously during that time the switch track could move, so we're going this way. Yeah, I love that. Forwards on the spike. This is very unique. Very unique. Woo! Back this way. Yeah, it's very cool. Woo! Very different. There's Charlotte and George. Hey! Woo! Yeah, I like this a lot because it's a bit of a mystery which way you're going to go. Really hard to like work the layout out. Yeah, that was great. Well, that was fantastic. Excellent family coaster again. Gerstlauer really know what they're doing.